Got chainsaws. I cut wood and shit.
Well, I found this axe at an old job site at my old mold remediation job. It lasted about 2 trees. Split up. Got the axe head sitting down there. I'm gonna burn all the wood out. Now that is one heck of a way to hide a key, guys. Check this out. There's a key sitting inside of there. Trying to shave down this little piece of wood to make a new axe head. Have you ever seen a prettier axe? We've just been wedging a bunch of crap in there. We're gonna wedge some more crap in there, and then we'll see if it works. Look at how well it handled this tree. I got special range on it in case the axe head flies off on me. Oh. Not wiggling yet. That didn't feel good. Alright, you can end it. Back with the handmade. See how long it lasts. Got a bunch of crap stuffed in there. Oh, it didn't even break where I chopped it at. That's how good it is. Ow!